Muthenya wa mbere wa cikaro cia guthikiriria cira wa BBI igoti-ini tugiru, mawakiri ma munene wa watho na ma komishoni ya ithurano matemanitie wira uria metikitie ugutuma igoti tugiru rigarura itua ria igoti ria gucokia cira riko na ririukie mendekithia ma gucenjia watho. Mawakiri Ken Ogeto na Kamau Karori mareganite na itua ria kuga president no athitagwo ari wabici ta uria acirithania igoti ria gucokia cira riko matuire, makiuga agitirwo ni katiba ni undu wa itumire na muthingi.
In order to determine whether the president has done or not done anything contrary to the constitution, there has to be a judicial process. And this defeats the whole essence of immunity, as the president would have to participate in to prove innocence.
If the president is detracted because of the fear that every decision he makes may attract civil liability against him, it would have a chilling effect on the ability of the president to make decisions that are important for the purposes of the people of Kenya.
Mawakiri aya oho mateteire president ta mundu ngiambiriria itanya ria gucenjia watho ona thengia wa gikiro giake tondu kuringana na watho uyu ni mukenya otari angi.
In the case of the president, he will be doing so not because he is a state officer, but because he, as every other Kenyan, enjoys all the rights and privileges reserved for citizens under the Constitution of Kenya. Indeed, as rightly submitted by Malade's senior, Mr. Karori, he is the president because he is a citizen first.
Shiraini uri igoti ria gucokia cira riko riateanirie mendekithia ma BBI kumana na itumi cia komishoni ya ithurano kwaga makomishona iganu, uria wari munene wa watho Githumu Igai ataririe gicunje kiu gitingihuthika cira-ini wa BBI mutheri oriri komishoni ino yatabanirie mibango ingi yayo iri na namba ngunderu ya makomishona.
Both the High Court and the Court of Appeal relied on a repealed law, a law that was no longer in existence. And it is our very humble submission that that was an incurable defect in law.
Mawakiri aria matemanitie cira wa oho ni marutite acirithania a igoti ria gucokia cira riko mahitia kumana na itua ria kuga katiba iri na mithingi tangimihotithia gucenjio, makiuga muingi niguo uri na hinya wothe iguru ria katiba.
That even the most sacrosanct provisions of the constitution are amendable so long as you determine which path you follow, whether it is by popular initiative or by parliamentary initiative.
The Constitution of Kenya thus places the people and the exercise of their sovereign power at the core of constitutional operation and enforcement. And for that purpose, it incorporates a very permissive amendment provision under Article 250.
Guku mawakiri maria macoketie cira wa BBI riko magitamania cira wao thiko igire iria ikurumirira igukorwo iria cia bata hari kurehe utheri ndereti-ini iria tumuraga urugari munene wa uteti guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndeigoti-ini tugiru kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.